sports meet time. In those days, Bhagwan was so very thickly interested in the programs which were put up by every campus. So we had to really find new programs which will attract the attention of Bhagwan, and also which gives ample opportunities for the students to interact with Bhagwan. If Swami gets interested in the program, he would come again and again to the grounds, and all the groups also will get the chance. So that year, we got 2 Ashok Leyland chassis. It's a 20-ton truck, a multi-axle 20-ton truck, Ashok Leyland truck, with bare chassis, with an idea that we will put platforms on top of those trucks, which are just extensions, so that we get a nice good run-up, and the students can do gymnastics and acrobatics on top of these 2 platforms. We called it as moving platforms. We got it ready, but because we started late and then trucks arrived late and the chassis making took time, by the time we actually got the entire structure, that new structure on the platform, it was almost 7th or so, and then we could not show to Bhagwan the full structure and students doing on that structure. However, Bhagwan saw the structure, because when it was being made, Swami had visited it and seen the programs, but we could not show this program. And on the 11th of Jan, as usual, Bhagwan was coming in the chariot, and that year Bhagwan was very pleased, and then he was wearing white robe, I remember very clearly. And then our band receives near the primary school. That time there was no Anantapur band, only our band is to receive all through from the primary school gate till the stage, Shantivedika stage. Our band is to play and then bring Swami. So Swami came, and then Swami was standing on the chariot and then blessing the devotees with both hands. And devotees were very happy to see Swami in white robe, which he used to wear only during the birthday time, Jula time. So they were very, very happy, and there were lots of claps and everybody was very ecstatic. And Swami's chariot crossed Chaitanya Jyoti somewhere near the, probably the Jesus or just before that. As Swami's chariot was moving, there was a big commotion in the audience, the ladies' side. And you could see awe loudly coming from the ladies' side. We were all wondering, and everybody was seeing that side. I think within few seconds everything died down, and again we saw Swami. I mean, many people were just surrounding that chariot. We who were on the stage could not make out anything, but then within a few seconds everything got normalized, and then Swami blessing the devotees and arrived near the Shantivedika, and then took the salute, slow march, and everything went on perfectly. Swami came and lighted the lamp. After the march past was over, and then other campus programs started, and our campus program was actually at the end of the morning session. That used to come around almost 10:45, 11 o'clock in the morning. So it was the very end, and this being the flagship item, so we would write at the end of our program. And then it came. Swami blessed these kids very nicely. The moving platform came out very well, and various postures on that inverted ladder were performed. Everybody liked very much. Swami blessed them from the stage, and then everything went on properly. We were very happy and grateful to Bhagwan for making sure that everything went on well without any casualty, because invariably somebody or other gets hurt in the final performance. In that excitement, sometimes the students overdo. And then in the evening, some of the elders came and told me that, see, Swami was hurt. And then we really wanted to know how it happened, and then they were not ready to reveal details. He said, no, everything went on well, but then, you all should not do this sort of dangerous things. I didn't understand. I thought there was no danger at all. It was quite safe. Platforms were very wide, and then everything was going very, very slowly, even though they were moving platforms. But to ensure that everybody sees and enjoys, it was going very, very smoothly and slowly. And they did not reveal much, but we knew something went wrong somewhere. That truth came out from Bhagwan's own mouth on the Shankranti Day discourse. Swami was explaining about the programs, and he said, boys, you do not know something which I don't want to reveal, but these elders wanted me to tell you all. And it was in the middle of the discourse, and everybody was curious, what is it Swami is going to say? Swami said, you've all seen me just, for a moment, for a few seconds, I fell down in the chariot. And then I simply got up, and then everything, chariot procession went on smoothly. But be aware, I was aware of your program of the moving platforms. A student was supposed to do that garland. Two students were supposed to hang with their legs, and with their hand they are supposed to catch a student who would sit in Padmasana. And then that, by moving, some sort of swing, etc. was there. We felt it was not dangerous. But the students were catching, danger was supposed to happen there. I have averted and taken upon myself. You would not believe that when I fell down, there were a lot of bruises. These elders saw these bruises when they were doing Path Seva, and they were very much worried. I did not tell anyone because you all have done this for me. Your love I can understand, but no one else can understand. There was bleeding on my legs. I came up. I did not show anything on my face, lest I will attract all your attention. I only went inside, behind the stage, to just cover it up, so that the blood will not come out. Came back and sat through all 3 hours. Blessed you all, because I knew that you have done with so much of love for me. And then later on, the elders told us how very severe were the wounds on Swami's legs were. And Swami, in fact, commanded them not to reveal this one to anybody. That's the reason why even the first day, at the end of the day, when they came back from Swami, they want to tell, but suddenly they realized that they should not tell, because it was Swami's command, and they did not tell us. This is the love which Bhagwan has for us. This is the protection which he has got on all the students. When we do for him with love, he not only accepts gracefully, but he protects us from any danger. That's a conviction which we should have. And again, Sportsmate provides ample opportunities for all of us, the students, the staff, the administrators, everyone, to develop this bond of love between Bhagwan and us.
गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिस्सीदसादनम्। प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती। दीनामवित्रयवतु। गणेशाय नमः। सरस्वत्यै नमः। श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। ओम शांति शांति शांति। निधनपतये नमः। निधनपतान्तिकाय नमः। ऊर्ध्वाय नमः। ऊर्ध्वलिङ्गाय नमः। हिरण्याय नमः। हिरण्यलिङ्गाय नमः। सुवर्णाय नमः। सुवर्णलिङ्गाय नमः। दिव्याय नमः। दिव्यलिङ्गाय नमः। भवाय नमः। भवलिङ्गाय नमः। सर्वाय नमः। सर्वलिङ्गाय नमः। शिवाय नमः। शिवलिङ्गाय नमः। ज्वालाय नमः। ज्वाललिङ्गाय नमः। आत्माय नमः। आत्मलिङ्गाय नमः। परमाय नमः। परमलिङ्गाय नमः। एतत् सोमस्य सूर्यस्य सर्वलिङ्गगस्तापायति पाणिमन्त्रं पवित्रम्। सत्यो जातं प्रपद्यामि। सत्यो जाताय वै नमो नमः। भवे भवेनाति भवे भवस्व मां। भवोद्भवाय नमः। वामदेवाय नमो। ज्येष्ठाय नमः। श्रेष्ठाय नमो। रुद्राय नमः। कालाय नमः। कलविकरणाय नमो। बलविकरणाय नमो। बलाय नमो। बलप्रमथनाय नमः। सर्वभूतदमनाय नमो। मनोत्मनाय नमः। अघोरेभ्यो तघोरेभ्यो घोरघोरतरेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यो नमस्ते अस्तु रुद्ररूपेभ्यः। तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महादेवाय धीमहि तन्नो रुद्र प्रचोदयात्। ईशानः सर्वविद्यानां ईश्वरः सर्वभूतानां ब्रह्माधिपतिर्ब्रह्मणोऽधिपतिर् ब्रह्मा शिवो मे अस्तु सदा शिवो। ओम शांति शांति शांति। मेधा देवी जुषमाना न आगात् विश्वाचि भद्रा सुमनस्यमाना त्वया जुस्तानुदमाना दुरुक्तान् बृहद्पतेम विदते सुवीरा त्वया जुस्ता ऋषिर्भवति देवी त्वया ब्रह्मागतश्रीरुतत्वया त्वया जुस्तश्चित्रं विन्दते वसुसानो जुषस्व द्रविणो न मेदे मेदाम इन्द्रो ददातु मेदां देवी सरस्वती मेदा मे अश्विनः भुवा दत्तां पुष्करस्रजा अप्सरासु चया मेधा गन्धर्वेषु चयन्मनः दैवी मेधा सरस्वती सा मां मेधा सुरभिर्जुषतागुं स्वाहा आमां मेधा सुरभिर्विश्वरूपा हिरण्यवर्णा जगती जगम्या ऊर्जस्वती पयसा पिन्वमाना सामान् मेधा सुप्रदीका जुषन्ताम् मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि अग्निस्तेजो ददातु मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि इन्द्रियं ददातु मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि सूर्यो व्राजो ददातु हंसाय विद्महे परमहंसाय धीमहि तन्नो हंसः प्रचोदयात् ॐ शान्ति 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 नीला देवी गुं शरणमां प्रपद्ये गृह्णाहि घृतवती सवितराधिपत्ये पयस्वन्तिरन्तिरासानो अस्तु ध्रुवादृशां विष्णुपत्यघोरा शेषान सहसोया मनोन्ता बृहस्पतेर्मातरि श्रोतवायुः सन्दुवाना वाता अभिनो गृह्णतु विष्टम्भो दिवो दरुडः पृथिव्या अशेषान जगतो विष्णुपत्नी ॐ शान्ति 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 ॐ अत पुरुषो वै नारायणो कामयता प्रजाश्रितियेति नारायणात् प्राणो जायते मनः सर्वेन्द्रियाणि च कं वायु ज्योतिराप पृथिवी विश्वस्य धारिणी नारायणात् ब्रह्मा जायते नारायणात् रुद्रो जायते नारायणात् इन्द्रो जायते नारायणात् प्रजापतयः प्रजायन्ते नारायणात् द्वादशादित्या रुद्रा वसवः सर्वाणि च छन्दागुंसि नारायणात् देवसमुत्पद्यन्ते नारायणे प्रवर्तन्ते नारायणे प्रलीयन्ते। ॐ अत नित्यो नारायणः ब्रह्मा नारायणः शिवश्च नारायणः शक्रश्च नारायणः द्यावा पृथिव्यौ च नारायणः कालश्च नारायणः दिशश्च नारायणः ऊर्ध्वश्च नारायणः अधश्च नारायणः अन्तर्बहिश्च नारायणः नारायण एवेदगुं सर्वं यद्भूतं यच्च भव्यम् निष्कलो निरञ्जनो निर्विकल्पो निराख्याता शुद्धो देव एको नारायणः न द्वितीयोऽस्ति कश्चित् य एवं वेद स विष्णुरेव भवति स विष्णुरेव भवति। ॐ इत्यग्रे व्याहरे नम इति पश्चात् नारायणायेत्युपरिष्टात् ॐ इत्येकाक्षरं नम इति द्वे अक्षरे नारायणायेति पञ्चाक्षराणि एतत् वै नारायणस्याक्षरं पदं यो ह वै नारायणस्याक्षरं पदमत्येति अनपब्रुवः सर्वमायुरेति विन्दते प्राजापत्यगुं रायस्पौषं गौपत्यं ततो मृतत्वमस्तु ते ततो मृतत्वमस्तु त इति य एवं वेद प्रत्यगानन्दं ब्रह्मपुरुषं प्रणवस्वरूपम् अकार उकार मकार इति तानेकदा समभरत्तदेतदोमिति यामुच्यते योगी जन्म संसार बन्धनात्। ॐ नमो नारायण एति मन्त्रोपासकः वैकुण्ठभुवनलोकं गमिष्यति तदिदं परं पुण्डरीकं विज्ञानगणं तस्मात् तदिदावन्मात्रं ब्रह्मण्यो देवकी पुत्रो ब्रह्मण्यो मधुसूदनो सर्वभूतस्थमेकं नारायणं कारणरूपमकार परब्रह्मो एतदतर्वशिरो योधीति प्रातरतीयानो रात्रिकृतं पापं नाशयते सायमदीयानो दिवसकृतं पापं नाशयते माद्यन्दिनवादित्यादिमकोडीयान पञ्चपातकोपपातकात् प्रमुच्यते सर्ववेदपारायण पुण्यं लभते नारायण सायुज्यमवाप्नोति नारायण सायुज्यमवाप्नोति य एवं वेद इत्युपनिषत् सहना भवन्तु सहनो भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। ॐ स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां ज्ञानेन मार्गेण महेशां गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं। समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।
प्रेम स्वरूपा ब्रह्मानंदा प्रेम स्वरूपा ब्रह्मानंदा सच्चिदानंद स्वरूपा ब्रह्मानंदा सच्चिदानंद हरि नारायण नारायण हरि नारायण नारायण वंदना आनंद श्याम। दीन दुखियों से प्रेम करो मेरा साई प्रसन्न होगा। दीन दुखियों से प्रेम करो मेरा साई प्रसन्न होगा। दीन दुखियों से प्रेम करो मेरा साई प्रसन्न होगा। दीन दुखियों से प्रेम करो मेरा साई मेरा मैं तेरा ये प्रेम की बहती धारा। साई मेरा मैं तेरा ये प्रेम की बहती धारा। साई मेरा मैं तेरा ये प्रेम की बहती धारा। साई मेरा मैं तेरा ये प्रेम की बहती धारा। प्रेम की बहती धारा। साई प्रेम की बहती धारा। मेरा साई प्रसन्न होगा। मेरा साई प्रसन्न होगा। दीन दुखियों से प्रेम करो मेरा साई प्रसन्न होगा। साई मेरा मैं तेरा ये प्रेम की बहती धारा। साई मेरा मैं तेरा ये प्रेम की बहती धारा। प्रेम की बहती धारा। मेरा साई प्रसन्न होगा। मेरा साई प्रसन्न होगा। दीन दुखियों से प्रेम करो मेरा साई प्रसन्न होगा। ब्रह्मांड नायका बाबा प्रतिपुरीश्वर बाबा। ब्रह्मांड नायका बाबा ब्रह्मांड नायका बाबा प्रतिपुरीश्वर बाबा। ब्रह्मांड नायका बाबा
पांडुरंग विठ्ठला पांडुरंग विठ्ठला जय पुंडरीकाचा विठ्ठला पांडुरंग विठ्ठला जय पंढरीनाथा विठ्ठला विठ्ठला जय विठ्ठला पुरंदर विठ्ठला विठ्ठला जय विठ्ठला पुरंदर विठ्ठला विठ्ठला जय रघुमाई विठ्ठला विठ्ठला जय रघुमाई विठ्ठला पांडुरंग विठ्ठला जय पंढरीनाथा विठ्ठला हरिनारायणा 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 भजरे नारायणा हरिनारायणा हरिनारायणा बजुरे हरिनारायणा 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 बजुरे श्याम सुंदरा मदन गोपाला सच्चिदानंदा साई नारायण श्याम सुंदरा मदन गोपाला सच्चिदानंदा साई नारायण गोपालना गोपी गोपालना गोपी गोपालना भजरे हरि नारायण हरि नारायण बसुरे हरि नारायण हरि नारायण हरि नारायण बसुरे नारायण हरि नारायण हरि नारायण बसुरे श्याम सुंदरा मदन गोपाला सच्चिदानंदा साई नारायण गोपालना गोपी गोपालना गोपी गोपालना बसुरे नारायण हरि नारायण हरि नारायण बसुरे नारायण हरि नारायण हरि नारायण बसुरे हरि नारायण हरि नारायण हरि नारायण बसुरे गोविंद कृष्ण विठला वेणुगोपाल कृष्ण विठला गोविंद कृष्ण विठला वेणुगोपाल कृष्ण विठला गोविंद कृष्ण विठला वेणुगोपाल कृष्ण विठला पांडुरंग विठला जय पंढरीनाथ विठला पांडुरंग विठला जय पंढरीनाथ विठला गोविंद विठला गोपाल विठला गोविंद विठला गोपाल विठला गोविंद विठला गोपाल पांडुरंग विठ्ठल विठ्ठल 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 पांडुरंग गोविंद कृष्ण विठ्ठला वेणुगोपाल कृष्ण विठ्ठला नमः पार्वती पतये हर हर नमः पार्वती पतये हर 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 शंकर महादेवा हर हर शंकर महादेवा हर 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 महादेवा हर 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 महादेवा शिव 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 सदा शिवा शिव 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 सदा शिवा महादेवा सदा शिवा सदा शिवा महादेवा नमः पार्वती पतये हर 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 शंकर महादेवा हर 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 महादेवा हर 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 महादेवा हर 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 महादेवा शिव 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 सदा शिवा हर 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 महादेवा हर 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 महादेवा हर 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 महादेवा शिव 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 सदा शिवा महादेवा सदा शिवा सदा शिवा महादेवा नमः पार्वती पतये हर हर
साईनाथ भगवान साईनाथ भगवान धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। ईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।
Om Sai Ram, Bhagavan's counsel for today. It is most essential you understand that everything happens as per His will. Whatever happens is for your own good. With such firm conviction, you should accept pleasure and pain, good and bad, with equanimity. It may be difficult for you to bear misfortunes. You should pray to God to grant you the necessary strength to bear them. Difficulties are like passing clouds. They will certainly give way to happiness. Man always strives for happiness. How can one attain it? True happiness lies in union with God. In fact, God is beyond happiness and sorrow. Whatever you may do, He says, Tatastu, so shall it be. He showers His blessing on you, saying, let it be for your own good. You will be free from sorrow once you understand the Bhagavad Tattva, nature of divinity. If you are undergoing difficulties, do not get disheartened. Have faith that God is making you go through the ordeal for your own good. Jai Sai Ram. Now we shall offer Mangala Arati to Bhagavan.
Om Jai Jagadish Hare Swami Satya Sai Hare Bhakta Jana Samrakshak Bhakta Jana Samrakshak Bhakti Maheshwara Om Jai Jagadish Hare Shashivadana Srikara Sarva Pranapati Swami Sai